Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a Hyundai i30 here. It's a new one. I'm just changing the aircon filter. I've already replaced the filter on this. I'm just going to quickly show you how it's done. Now, before you do anything, on the bottom of the dashboard, if you could see these two little pins, you pull them out gently. You pull these little pins out here, and then there's one more on this side, so you pull that out. Once you've done that, open the glove compartment, and on the side here you see this little arm here. You need to pull this out as well gently. You got it out. Take the glove compartment out completely. On the inside here, you see that's where the pollen filter goes. So you've got two little lugs there. You push down little clips, push down onto the clip, and then gently pull this out. Now that's the new filter I've already replaced, a pollen filter. I've already done that. There's only one way they would go. It's the airflow way. I mean, you have to face it downwards because of the air vents. And then you push it back in. Once you've done that, clip it back together. Make sure that clips on properly as well. So you've got to make sure that clips in, and then here that clips in as well. That's all you got to do as well. And put the glove compartment back together. Make sure you don't forget this. This is the hydraulic where it sort of brings the glove compartment down and take it back up. That's it. Thanks for watching the channel. Goodbye.